and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to be sharing this video with you guys because I'm going to be trying out this growth hack. It's called Inversion Method and it's really easy, and it also claims to give 1 inch in 1 week. So yeah, I'm really praying it works out. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how it's done and my results at the end of the week. For step 1, I'm applying coconut oil to my scalp. Now you can use any oil, olive oil, coconut oil, essential oils, jojoba oil. Any oil can work for this step. I'm just putting it on my fingers and then applying it all around my scalp. You want to make sure you get as much, you cover as much scalp as possible. Some people will say that you should heat the oil before you apply it to your scalp, but as I was researching, I found that it's not really necessary because your scalp does have its own natural heat. Step 2 is to massage the scalp for 4 minutes. Now the purpose of this is to promote blood circulation and to stimulate the blood flow in the scalp, because that's where the growth happens. Now you want to do this gently and not roughly, because if you do it roughly you're going to irritate your scalp. You just want to do this gently and with love and care. So massage your scalp gently for 4 minutes. Okay, so step 3, you're going to invert your head like this for 4 minutes again. Yeah, I know you're really going to want to grab your timer for this whole inversion method thing, guys. Anyway, so you can do it like I'm doing in this video, or you can sit on a chair, on a couch, on your bed. I ended up sitting on my bed throughout the week, but as long as your head is at an angle of 90 degrees and 45 degrees, as long as it's inverted at that angle, because that's what gets the blood flowing to your scalp and the circulation that brings the growth. As you can see, it's also a really still step, so you might want to listen to a song, watch a video as you do it. This is important. You're going to want to raise your head slowly because you don't want to get dizzy from the blood rushing back in the opposite direction. That's it, guys. Really easy. You do this every day for 7 days, and yeah, let's go ahead and check out the results. I decided to measure 1 twist from each side of my hair so that I can keep proper track of the growth. I measured the right side to be between 11.8 and 11.9 inches, which is 11.85, I guess. On the left, my hair was slightly shorter and I recorded it to be 11.8, exactly 11.8. Okay, so here we are, day 8, the day after a week of inversion method. It's time to check out the results. So I'm just going to start by measuring the left side. And yay! Okay, a few strands are reaching 13 inches, but I'll put the real hair length at like 12.7. Interestingly, my hair didn't grow as much on this side. I'm not sure why, because I did everything. I treated it the same, but anyway, the new length was 12.5, 12.6 inches. Not exactly an inch of growth, but growth is growth and we celebrate regardless. 2 things I want to mention as I fix back my hair. 1, you shouldn't try out inversion method more than once a month, because if you do it more than that, your body will get used to it and the results won't be as effective. I know we want the length, but strictly once a month. 2, if you're pregnant and you're watching this method is not advised for pregnant women, so yeah, you might want to try something else. So that's it for today. I'm really happy I was able to get the length that I got in 1 week. Yeah, I hope this helps you guys smash your length goals as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay natural.